Hello ranchers, it's Mr. J here. Today we'll be doing a simple science experiment. You guys can easily follow this at home because I'm pretty sure you guys have these supplies already in your house. So what have we got here? So we have a glass with some water in it, tap water, table salt, and an egg. That's it. Simple enough. So to start this experiment, we put the egg into the water, and as you can see, as you may have expected, it sinks directly to the bottom of it because you see gravity is at work, right? It's pulling it down to the bottom. So let's take out the egg and we add some table salt to it. See if the result will be a little different this time. Maybe that's enough. And we want to stir it, right, to make sure that salt really dissolves in the water. Full disclosure, last time when I first did it, I forgot to stir it and it didn't work out correctly. But hey, that's science, right? You learn by mistakes. Alright, let's see. Okay, let's make sure it's actually well stirred. Should be good. Let's see the moment of truth here. Aha! You see that? You see? It is floating! See the eggs right here? So if you didn't see quite well last time, now the salt water is cleared up a little bit. It has settled, the salt has settled down, and you can clearly see the egg is floating really well right at the upper part of the water there. So the science at work here is actually pretty simple. It's about density, right? Salt water is more dense than fresh water, what comes out of our tap. And in this case, it's also more dense than the egg. So the denser part sinks to the bottom and the less dense stuff floats. So it's why the egg is floating in the water. That's also the same reason why you probably find yourself float better in the ocean and in some really salty water like in the Dead Sea. People can easily just float on the salt water without doing anything. So that is our science lesson for today. Remember, salt water is denser than fresh water, and less dense things float in salt water. Alright, I hope you like this video. If you like it, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channels for more. Alright, bye!